Hello Canva creatives, welcome back to our series. Today I will be taking you on a fun-filled tour of Canva's latest updates, new features, and yes, the trending Canva Glow Up. By the way, anyway, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for more tutorial tips and tricks video. And make sure to finish this video for the 3 fun trivia that highlights the benefits of Canva updates and how they can make life easier. Collect those 3 fun trivia and comment down below. Mamimili po ako ng 3 lucky winners na magkakaroon ng full access sa lahat ng aking digital products na nakasave sa aking Google Drive. Gina G, tara, let's dive in! First up, let's talk about the Canva Glow Up. It's all about taking your older, maybe not so stunning design and turning them into a fresh masterpieces. Think of it as giving your design a total makeover glow up level. Parang yung throwback photos mo na minahal mo noon, pero pwede mo pa ngayong i-level up using Canva newest features. Hindi ka lang nag-glow up, pati ang design mo. Here's a live demo of Canva Glow Up in action. We'll take the basic Instagram post and in just a few clicks, transform it into something that's screaming like pro level. Watch as we change the fonts, add animation, and use some of the Canva's latest templates. Parang biglang See? Super dali lang. And the result is a head turner. It's like taking your design to the spa for full glow up treatment. But wait, there's more. Canva's tons of new templates that make glowing up your design even easier. Whether it's for social media, presentations, or marketing, they've got you covered. Just pick a template and let the magic happen. At para naman sa dagdag click, Canva's animation updates will bring your glow ups to life. It's like adding a confetti to your design. Extra fun. Huh? No worries, Canva's got the perfect sidekick, the Canva Assistant. It's like having a BFF na tutulong sa'yo with tips, shortcuts, and creative ideas. Plus, with the new collaboration tools, your team can join in and help with the glow up. Sabay-sabay kayong magpa-transform. Masaya na, mabilis pa. Ganito dapat i-glow up. May extra help from your Canva Assistant. Parang instant glow up. Time for a quick trivia break. Here's the 3 reasons why the Canvas updates make your project glow up effortlessly. Ready? So, eto na. With Canva new features, even your most basic design can have the instant glow up. Hindi mo na kailangan maging pro. Just pick a template, add touch, and boom! New look, new vibe. Collaboration tools let you and your team glow up together. Real-time edits, quick feedback, and no more design bottlenecks. Kaya para kayong nag-design squad with superpower. Canva AI Assistant is like a personal glow up tool. Stuck on what's next? No problem. It will suggest design elements, offer tips, and help you shine brighter. And that's the wrap. Look at that amazing glow up from the basic to breathtaking. All thanks to Canva's new features and of course, the Canva Glow Up Challenge. Whether you're refreshing your designs or starting from the scratch, Canva's got your back. Kaya glow up na, Canva fam. You deserve it. Enjoy today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Baka naman. And subscribe for more tips, tricks, and creative inspiration. See you next time for more Canva magics. Let's glow up together on your way. Ciao.